Prior to rolling a wall, you should cut in around the ceiling, floors, doors, and window frames. Load the roller cover with paint by dipping into the paint about a ½ inch, using the screen to rotate the knob. Filling a roller cover with paint will require 2 to 3 dips, leaving the roller almost dripping with paint. Once the roller nap is loaded, unload the roller by making a V shape in the middle of the wall, starting your V at the wet paint. Then rolling from floor to ceiling using overlapping strokes by 50%, move back towards the wet paint. You may roll back across the area to remove any ridges left by the edge of the roller.